Hello, Storytime friends and family. Welcome back to Storytime at Nana's house. So good to have you here as always. Book I want to share right now. It is simply called Baby Animals. Are you ready? Let's read. I like the baby sheep. Do you like the baby sheep too? What kind of a sound does a sheep make? Did you say bah? Sort of bah, something like that. Let me hear you say that. My goodness, you did such a good job. I like the baby cow. What sound does a cow make? Did you say moo? Moo. Nana thinks your impression is much better than hers. Baby animals are so precious, aren't they? I like the baby horse, also called the foal. What sound does a baby horse make? Did you say neigh? You did such a good job. Oh, I like the baby. Oh, look at the baby goat. He's so cute, isn't he? Aw. I wonder what sound the baby goat makes. Hmm. Do you know? I like the baby pigs. Oink, 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 oink. They're so small, aren't they? Nana heard that baby pigs, well, belly pigs, make perfect indoor pets. You thought, what? Really? And I guess that you can paper train them too, just like you do a puppy. Hmm. So, mom and dad, if you're not sold on a puppy, maybe you'll consider a potbelly pig, a miniature pig. They don't get very big, and they're supposed to be very calm and docile, like the baby chickens. Ch- 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 Look at that. They're so sweet and fluffy. I like the baby ducks. Quack, quack, quack. So soft, I'm sure. We like the baby animals. Let's look at them together, shall we? Is the lamb and the cow or the calf, the foal, baby horse, the goat, also known as a kid. Oh, the pigs, oink oink, the little chicks, chip, 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 and the baby ducks, the goslings. They are so precious. Which one was your favorite? Which one did you like? Can you point to it? Can you show Nana which one? Nana likes all of them. Oh my goodness. They're all so precious. They're so special. Nana thinks baby animals and babies and little people are all very, very precious too. No matter what they look like, no matter what they sound like, no matter where they come from, Nana loves them all. Well, my friends, it is time for me to go. But before I do, I want to encourage you to continue letting your light shine by being kind. Until next time, take care of yourselves. God bless you. And always, always, always remember that this Nana right here really does love you. Take care.